In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add search bar in Wix. To get started, log into your Wix account and open the site you want to edit in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all the changes to your website layout and features. Once the editor is open, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct page where you want the search bar to appear. Adding it in the right location will make it easier for visitors to find and use. Next, go to the left sidebar and click the Add Elements button, which is marked with a plus sign. This menu contains all the visual and functional elements you can place on your site, such as text, images, buttons, and tools like search features. When the panel opens, use the search function inside the Elements menu and type in search. This will help you quickly locate the correct item without scrolling through all the available categories. From the results, select the search bar component. Wix offers this as a ready-to-use element, which makes the process simple and efficient. Once you click on it, drag and drop the search bar onto your page. Place it somewhere that feels natural and easy for visitors to access. A common choice is near the top of the page, especially in the header area, since that is where users often expect to find a search tool. After placing the search bar, click on it and open the Settings option. This is where you can choose what your visitors will be able to search for on your site. For example, you can decide whether the search bar looks through pages, products, blog content, or other supported site content. This part is important because it helps make the search experience more useful and relevant for your audience. Before you finish, it is a good idea to check the placement and make sure the search bar fits well with the rest of your design. You want it to be visible without looking out of place. If needed, adjust the position slightly so it lines up neatly with nearby elements. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make the search bar live on your website. After publishing, visitors will be able to use it directly on your site. That covers everything you need to know.